other now.
Let's go, just me and you.
But if you win, who will you go back to?
Go ahead and try to stop me if you're able. Can't you see that my determination's stable? The path that your little friend has taken has finally allowed me to awaken. And you will not stop this world I crave. I know what I want, though you call me depraved. Even though you think you're doing well, at the end of the night you'll be burning in hell. I'm not afraid of love.
What's the matter, Sans? Is this it? Is this all you've got? I thought you were tougher than that.
This is where we are. This is how it ends. I know that who you fight for are the ones you think are friends, but you will never see them. Their dust is scattered to the winds. You think you'll be the hero, but you better think again. Go ahead and try to stop me if you're able. Can't you see that my determination's stable? Do you really think that you're someone fighting for a cause you've given up on? But I will go further than you ever can, because I'm not afraid of getting blood in my hands. I am pure cruelty, I am pure power, I am determination. I'm not afraid